Good morning students. Today we will discuss addition of fractions on mixed fractions. Okay, we'll take some mixed fractions. Two by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. See, first of all, this mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. First of all, we have to the mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Already we explained in previous classes how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. First, these two multiply. What is that? In the denominator of proper fraction and the whole part should multiply, and the resultant value should be add to the numerator part. Okay, how much? See first. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. 8 by 3, the denominator is as common, as same. Okay, again in the second fraction, the denominator part is 2. 2 into multiply 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Now the fractions will be unlike fraction scheme. Again same process. What is that? Cross multiplication. 8 into 2 plus 7 into 3 by 3 into 2. Then what will get? 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21 by 3 2s are 6. Is finally 16 plus 21 how much? 37 by 6. 37 by 6. 1 plus 2 is 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, 37 by 6. Okay, in the problem we have mixed fraction. Again we got, see here, we got the answer is improper fraction. Improper fraction again should convert into mixed fraction. Is possible? Just check it. Then 37 with 6. 6 table 37, 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 1. What is the mixed fraction? How to convert? QRD. QRD means coefficient, remainder and divisor. QRD. 6 1 by 6 is the answer. 6 1 by 6 is the answer. See here in the problem we have mixed fraction. Thus mixed fraction first of all convert into improper fraction, then we will get improper fractions, and if you get equal means like fraction, then easily should add. Unlike fraction means go to cross multiplication and will get answer. In the answer is the standard form, that to improper fraction. That's why the convert into improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Next, sum of 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay. See here students, in before problem we have two fractions. That's why we are applying cross multiplication, but in the problem we have three fractions, that two unlike fractions. The two unlike fractions is three number of fractions is there. Just for compulsory we will go with the LCM. See, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to, first LCM want to take 10 5 2 table. 2 5 jar, 5 is not possible, right, as it is. 2 1 jar. Next again 5 table. 5 1 jar, 5 1 jar. 2 into 5. LCM equal to 2 into 5 into 1s is 10s. Okay. What is LCM value? Is 10. Now from here to listen, observe, listen carefully. The common denominator is 10. The common denominator is 10. Now take each and every fraction will operate. First of all, take what is the first fraction? 7 by 10 is the first fraction. In the 7 by 10, the LCM value is 10. Listen carefully. The LCM value is 10. In the first fraction, division with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. Divide with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. Okay, the division, what is the denominator value? 10. 10 ones are 10, remainder 0. This value, the quotient value should again multiply with the numerator. What is the numerator value is 7. 1 7 ja 7 means 7 want to write here, plus what is the symbol of middle? Plus. Next, same process, take LCM value 10. Now what is the second fraction? Second fraction, the denominator is 5, then 5. 5 2s are 10, remainder 0. 2 into 2 again is equal to 4, means 4. Plus, okay, third one, 10 with what is the third fraction? Denominator is 2. 2 5s are 10 is 0. 5 into should multiply with the numerator. What is the numerator is 3. 5 3s are 15 is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, just observe. Now the common denominator is 10. Actually we have unlike fractions, that's why we used here LCM method. The LCM value is 10. LCM value is 10 means this is the common denominator. Now take the all numerators. Numerators, see here. Here some numerators are changed. Again, then what is the operation? 7 plus 4 plus 15. What is the operation? Addition operation. 7 plus 14. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 means 26. 26 by 10. 26 by 10 again should convert into mixed fraction. Otherwise, why? Because this is the improper fraction. Is possible to cancellation first of all. Why? Because 26 is even number and 10 also is an even number. Each and every even number is possible, cancellation possible with a 2. 2 13 jar, 2 5 jar. Means what is that? 13 by 5. Otherwise, now do the division. 5 with 13, 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar 10, remainder is 3, means 2 3 5, 2 3 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, listen once again. See here, to find sum of 3 fractions, the 3 fractions are unlike fractions, then 3 fractions is there, that's why compulsory we have to use LCM method. Why? Because it is not possible to cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method is possible only between 2 fractions, that's why we used LCM method. In that LCM method, first of all take all denominators. What are the denominators? 10, 5 and 2. Take the LCM value, will get is 10. The 10 is the common denominator. 10 is the common denominator, not a first denominator. 10 is the common denominator for all fractions. 10 is the common denominator as well as at the same time there is a LCM value also. LCM value take as the common denominator, then the LCM value first of all should divide with 10, the first fraction denominator. Not only first, each and every fraction want to take to the first of all divide with the denominator, the coefficient is there, no, that coefficient should multiply with the same fraction numerator. Which fraction denominator is dividing the LCM value, the coefficient should multiply the same numerator of the same fraction, the numerator of same fraction. Okay, don't be confused. Then the first fraction, what is the 7 by 10, that's why I am dividing with 10 and I am multiplying with the 7. Okay, which one divide, which one will multiply means LCM value should divide it by with the denominator, the coefficient is there, no, that coefficient value should multiply with the numerator. Okay, like this. In second value also, in the second value the denominator is 5 and numerator is 2, then I am dividing resultant value means the LCM value is 10 divided by with the second denominator 5 and should multiply again the numerator with the coefficient to 2 jar 4, again 4 right here. Between don't change the symbols or which symbols they are giving, mention as it is. Next third one observe the LCM value is 10 is divided by with 2 to 5 jar 10 to next 5 is there no coefficient, this 5 again should multiply the numerator of same fraction. What is the numerator of same fraction? 3. That's why 5 3 is 15. The 15 again should write here. Now the between symbol is plus, is nothing but addition. Then 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26. 26 by 10 is possible cancellation with 2. 2 3 is 2 13 jar is 26 and 2 5 jar 10. 13 by 5. Actually this is the answer. One more step we have to extra, means we have to, this is an improper fraction, no? That's why we have to convert into mixed fraction. Then 5 table, 5 2 jar 10. Remainder is 3, that's why 2 3 by 5, 2 3 by 5 means 5 2 jar 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. This is the sum of unlike fractions with 3 or more fractions. Same method, not only for 3 fractions, for 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, we can follow this method. For 2 fractions also we can apply. By 2 fractions, for easy, we have to apply cross multiplication method. For 2 fractions, we have to apply cross multiplication method, and more than 2 fractions, compulsory we have to apply LCM method. Next is subtraction of fraction, difference of fraction. Then this one also some examples will take. 2 minus 3 by 5, 2 minus 3 by 5, same process but operation will some different. Same process, operation will some different. See here, the first one is the whole part and second one is the fraction. Then first one also first of all convert into a fraction. Then that's why I am writing 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. See here, the two denominators are different, means unlike fraction, that's why we have to apply cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 2 into 5 minus 3 into 1 by 1 into 5 is equal to 2 5 jar 10 minus 3 into 1 is 3 by 1 into 5 is 5. 10 minus 3 how much value? Is 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is nothing but we have to convert into mixed fraction. Each and every fraction no need to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, actually up to here is enough. Then improper fraction will get, we have to convert one more step extra, that's it. Okay, 7 by 5, 5 table 7, 5 1 jar, 5 1 jar 5. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. See, again check, I will. 5 with 7, 5 1 jar 5, remainder is 2, then 1 2 by 5, 1 2 by 5. See, this is the answer. Okay, now mixed fraction, the subtraction of mixed fractions we have checked. One more problem. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. It is very simple. First of all, convert into improper fraction. How to convert improper fraction? The denominator of the proper fraction should multiply the whole part, means 2 8 jar 16. Again should add the numerator. 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2 minus 8 3 jar. 8 3 jar how much? 24. 24 plus 5 20. 8 3 jar 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Observe, see, 2 8 jar 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 minus 8 3 jar 24, 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. Okay, again we are getting unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, that's why we have to multiply, we have to apply cross multiplication. 17 8 jar and 29 2 jar by 2 into 8 is equal to 17 8 jar. What is the value of 17 8 jar? 136 minus 229 jar 58 by 2 8 jar 16. Okay, 17 8 jar 136 minus 29 2 jar 58 by 2 8 jar 16. Here 136 minus 58, what is the value? 16 minus 8 is 8. Here is 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 78 by 16 only. Check it once again. Here 6. 16 minus 8 is 8. And what is the value here? 12. Means 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. 78 by 16. 78 by 16. 78 is the even number and 16 also even number. Thus it is possible to cancellation with 2. 2 8 jar. 2 3 jar 6 and 2 9 jar means 239 jar 78. 239 jar 78 by 2 8 jar 16 means 39 by 8. Again this is the improper fraction. We will convert into mixed fraction. Do it. 8 table 8 4 jar 32. 8 5 jar 40. Not possible. 8 4 jar 32. His remainder is 7, then what will get? 4 7 by 8. 4 7 by 8. Okay, this is the subtraction of fractions. Is normal fractions and this is the mixed fraction. Once again I repeat, see here mixed fraction given. In that first of all convert into improper fraction. 2 8 jar 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus 8 3 jar 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. Okay, should multiply means cross multiplication we have to apply. Why? Because two fractions is there. That's why we have to apply cross multiplication. Then 17 8 jar is 136 minus 29 2 jar is 58 by 2 8 jar 16. Then 136 minus 58 is nothing but 78. 78 by 16 means is possible with cancellation 2 39 jar and 2 8 jar. 39 by 8. 39 by 8 is the improper fraction. Again we will convert into mixed fraction. Again we will convert into mixed fraction. Then 4 7 by 8. Okay students, today we discussed addition of fractions means more than two fractions and subtraction of fractions. Next class we will discuss some more problems. Okay, thank you.